1.
Selective clone. Object. Pick a window. Export mesh.
2.
Model or download a back frame. Model or download an inner frame. Duplicate and flip the back frame to create the other half. Or model and download again. Customize the glass if you wanna.
3.
On original, delete vertices. Select the new frame, then the old. Join them. Rinse and repeat. Save as something. For the shadow, delete 0, 1, 4, and 5. Give mesh 2 a cut of 0. Mesh 3 equals 1. Mesh 6 equals 2. Save as shadow. Re-import on all LODs. Repeat steps on the second mesh, if you wanna. Done! Ooh, I can see you. Naughty, naughty.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.